Living in Nashville, obviously I was aware of Uyghur hair because it's right there, you know, everybody knows about it. There's a lot of entertainers here, there's a lot of high-level professionals here. If any of those people decide to do the procedure, chances are they're going to these guys. I did look at some other places. I did do some digging on other options, but honestly, after my first consultation and meeting the team there and the staff, they walk you through the procedure and you have this very sort of open and frank, comfortable discussion about it. I left there just feeling like there's not even a choice at this point. Like this is the right thing to do. They make you so comfortable. And it was such a professional environment, which for me was a big thing. Like I wanted to make sure that if I was gonna do this and put your trust for a procedure like this in someone else's hands, like you really want to know that you're dealing with pros, and these guys were, in my mind, I felt like I was dealing with sort of the elite level pros in this field. When you do a thing like this, the last thing you want is any uncertainty. I would never have gone into a procedure like this if I had any sort of doubts, especially me doing what I do. Like for me to put my trust in somebody to mess with my hair, it's like I had to really fully trust those people, and I absolutely did. They'll treat you the same whether you're a well-known personality or an average guy. They wouldn't be in business, you know, if they weren't good at what they did, because something like this is so much about your reputation. I would just say to anyone who was considering it, go to the guys who have the track record and are the total professionals and are gonna have every base covered. Like, eliminate all doubt. This is something that you're gonna have for the rest of your life, you know, and I guess for me, I'm just glad that I made that choice to work with the top guys, you know, in the field. The reason that I look back on it so positively and I'm willing to speak about it is because the whole experience was so good. Very happy with the results. These guys, you know, they have the best tech, they have the best people, they do the best work. If you're gonna do this, do it with them.